de ban kan mau ba barok ngi me de kita ki doktor ki ba sungthu ya ka jing don kam hakapor ba kha ya ki khalung la ne por ba ki pen kha khalung ye ki kme ngi kum ka government hi ngi sngau ba ka banding kong e ka bangi di ban le ban long ba ai ya ki kme but iki khun un ban sakha ya kata ka opportunity bakin remain healthy bakin long ki pakot ki bakia but bakin yo ya ka fair chance to life te ka ei ka baja ganesh das man ha kani kam dei ka jingja ka ba kani ka procedure ka dei tang na ka banta ini we bri ini we kme ka dei ka rukom pen kha khon ka baju ka ba ki jule barabor tambakum baka julong hi 1 out of 100 times ki ja kum ki ni ki chincha but she sen baka ganesh das ka yo iba kamdon ya kata ka facility ban pet ba ya ita ikme on penmi wut na kata ka jingma te ki ju pha refer no yaki shaka higher facility but kilale ya kata la pha no i diagrams hakabaki don kita ki machines ki balapan yarap wut ini kmi tamba ka bandingkong ka baka ganesh das kala le kalong kapan sange ya kata ka jing du snam ju te kmi kata kalong ban make sure ba the mother survives em ikme tikilale ya kata ban ngada sngewsih shisha bala do no ya ka jing em jung ibi kilong henre ngin ya chakmat da kata ka jing don jing shania ha ki hospital la jong nakapor sa kapor ngi yo i bala darja inu i jingja i batang kandet ru ka jude hi ka jing lien ban condemn ya ka facility la jong to have faith in your own systems. This is your system. Ganesh Das is your hospital. Yes, Ganesh Das will perform better if we had additional medical infrastructure facilities. But Negrims is not far away and mother was saved. Situation is well understood by the medical practitioners. We are just citizens. We don't understand why a needle broke. But this is a procedure which may well likely happen even in other circumstances. So I am happy to at least inform that I have been briefed that the mother is doing well. Unfortunately, we lost the child who anyways had a very difficult birth. Child did not cry as soon as the child was born, and unfortunately resuscitation happened, but child still had a lot of problems with his respiratory disorders and other disorders. I will go and I will express my sense of deep loss to the parent themselves, and I look forward that situations like this should not happen, and we are going to be improving our facilities to ensure that these errors, if at all an error occurred, does not happen. I have also insisted on an inquiry at the level of the MI, and I hope that the MI will take this incident seriously and will ensure that the patient party and the people at large feel a sense of reassurance that it was something that has happened. We regret. We will ensure that henceforth these kinds of situations do not occur again. I regret the loss of this child whose life is very valued. A lot of the incident is not about just the fact that okay, Ganesh Das has failed, but it's just that the entire process at which this mother, young pregnant mother with a high risk pregnancy, was supposed to take certain steps to ensure that whatever necessary steps to be taken for the saving of both the mother and the child. Child did not cry naturally but had to be resuscitated for various reasons. And this is not something that you only say is assigned to the failure of Ganeshna's hospital. It is not true for us to also correctly say that, because whatever interventions that were required for both the safety of the mother and the child, I have been briefed, I'm now convinced that they had taken all precautionary measures. Unfortunately, Ganesh Das does not have a higher facility where, in the event of any mistakes or any uh, unforeseen occurs, then we don't have that system in the Ganesh Das, and it was just correct for the Ganesh Das to refer the case to a higher facility where this requirement is available. So I will go and see the mother, and I will express my regrets for the occurrence of this loss of a child, and I am sure that I will be better briefed by the Negram's team of doctors as to whether or not the mother is also now out of danger.